OnePlus has teased a moonshot announcement for March 8th, which that's pretty soon, right? What's today? Yeah, a few days from now. More details to come. Not very much being shared, although people obviously speculating what it's about. The image, something new is on the horizon. The image is significant. It is important because it appears to have been taken originally, this image, by a Hasselblad camera. And the rumor is that OnePlus has teamed up with Hasselblad on this next generation, next flagship phone, the OnePlus 9. So they're saying that this photograph looks like the famous Earthrise photo from the Apollo 8 mission, and that was taken with a Hasselblad camera. You see where I'm going here, Will? So they're hinting at it, and they're happy about their partnership. And anyway, there's supposed to be a OnePlus 9, a 9 Pro, and a 9R, and a smartwatch coming, all in March over here.
Wow.
It's quite a few. Wow, all of those in March? OnePlus 9, 9 Pro, and 9R. Crazy. All right. Launching March the 8th. That might be the most devices they've ever talked about at one event. And I don't know what the R stands for, but anyway. This was shared on Pete Lau's his Twitter account. So here are some other rumors about the OnePlus 9. It's said to include wireless fast charging at 45 watts. The regular OnePlus 9 non-Pro expected to have a 6.55-inch flat display, 120 hertz 1080p. And the 9 Pro is a little bit bigger, 6.78 inches, 120 hertz, 1440p. Snapdragon 888 for both. And the R or the Lite could be announced. Oh, okay. So it would have an older 865 processor. So that would be your distinction between, they could use the R, which is odd because often R is like a performance letter.
Yeah, like Type R.
Type R in cars are, we have the Sony cameras, A7R.
Although Apple used it for a lower version.
10R.
Right, the 10R.
You're right. What did the R stand for on the 10R? Did they ever share that, or they just used it? People had to speculate. All right, they can let us know. People can let us know in the comments. On the iPhone 10R, what did the R stand for? Anyway, it looks like OnePlus could use that name, or they could call it the OnePlus 9 Lite, which is obviously immediately understandable.